Hi! So this is Biblion 2020 challenge. My name is Maxim Ivashkov. I'm from Plansis, Innovators in Planning and Forecasting. My team consists of me and Peter Mahute and Vadim Siminsky, and let's call us a banana team. So remember bananas when you vote. Okay. So, bibliotheca libraries are facing a challenge because digital media is today much easier to use on your mobile, from your computer. You can easily buy a book. So less people go to libraries to read books there. This is like a free record shop, right? Some time ago, and the same story happened with videotapes. So I think we need to do something about it, and I really like to, and my team like to help you guys to turn around and get more people to the library and get great ideas how to do it. And idea is we like to turn a library into a social space and organize more events. So this is like organizing debate, right? Ontmoeting en debat organiseren. One of the key principles you like to follow. Recently, so I'm consulting companies how they can use data and apply it to the planning and management. So I worked at Central Beheer Achmea in the database marketing. I worked at Booking.com as a forecaster. I worked at Alliander as project management, application management. I worked at ANWB, helping them to organize planning around Alarmcentrale. So recently I was in Den Haag at ANWB, and I asked a few colleagues if they go to a library, and unfortunately none of them go to the library, and some told me, yeah, sometimes I go to the shop, bookshop, because of the fear. So, and then I asked them a next question: would you go to the library if there would be an interesting event and you could meet people sharing the same interests with you? And most of my colleagues told me, yes, that would be interesting. Hey, we can use data that you have, guys, to organize communities. Yes, we need communities organized around some topics, and topics could be, for example, culture, music, investing. So suppose we have a person, Jan, and he rented few books in the past about investing. So we have this data, and we can see if someone is borrowing books from the same topic. And maybe Jan also borrowed some books from photography, and maybe he borrowed some books from cooking. So by analyzing data, we can structure and score every topic, and for every library user we can score topics, and the major topics, those are the candidates to suggest Jan to join a community. And around every topic we organize a community. And actually I did some research, and this research supports the idea that people like to organize around influencers. And influencers are the, let's say, writers or some advanced users with a lot of knowledge that they like to share. So if events organized around those people, more people like to attend those events. So what we can do is we can do a database marketing campaign, and we can invite users to join a community. And if Jan get an email with this suggestion, so he will click on a link, he will go to a community page, and he can see for instance new books about topics he is interested. He can see new events upcoming around specific community. We can also build in a recommendation engine which will compute which books are recommended for Jan to read, because we also have data from other community members, etc., and from the past. So this is similar to like Amazon recommends books. So there are a lot of ideas we can attach to this community thing, but I think the major one is that we will make something new. It's something exciting, so people will have an opportunity to get together, share their knowledge, and actually get new experience and motivate, engage together in something exciting and interesting. And my dream is that in, let's say, 5 years from now, we will get on a really successful startup, or we will get a really some famous artist, and he will say, actually, how this all started. I just joined a community in a library, in a local library. I met new friends. Together we got brilliant ideas, and we made this happen. And without this community, I couldn't do it on my own. This physical presence, really physical presence, is in the beautiful places of the city where local people can easily go and join events and share knowledge. This really gives an extraordinary, extreme advantage over all the digital media, which is also nice, which library also should develop, podcast libraries and media libraries. But I believe this community idea will really help you guys to make steps towards future. So thanks for listening. So this was Maxim Ivashkov. I live in Arnhem Center. I'm quite often in the library of Arnhem. Beautiful building, really nice libraries. I hope to see there more meeting rooms, more meetup rooms, and more events interesting to join for all local people. So let's make it happen all together. So this is a banana team.